For this recipe, we are using 5 sweet potatoes. Using a fork, go ahead and poke your potatoes all over just like so. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Then grab some aluminum foil and wrap them up individually. Place them on a baking tray, preferably with a rack so they cook evenly. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 20 minutes or until they are cooked all the way through. Meanwhile, finely chop 1 cup of pecans. Then transfer to a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of brown sugar, followed by half a cup of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of softened butter at room temperature. Now mix the ingredients until thoroughly combined. Once evenly incorporated, set it aside. Once the sweet potatoes have been cooked, remove from the oven. Remove the aluminum foil as they begin to cool down. Once the sweet potatoes are cool enough to handle, peel them and transfer to a large mixing bowl. Using a potato masher, go ahead and make some sweet mashed potatoes. Then add 2 large eggs, followed by half a cup of whole milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 stick of room temperature butter. Using an electric mixer, mix all the ingredients until well combined. Then grease a 9x13 baking dish. Transfer the sweet potato mixture into the dish. Using a spatula, make sure that you even out the sweet potatoes. Then spread the toppings over the sweet potatoes in an even layer. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your sweet potato casserole will look like this. Let the casserole rest for 5 minutes before serving. You are most definitely ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, sweet potato casserole. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.